Okay, this is my cantaloupe that cracked on the vine because it rained for 4 days straight here in Arkansas. My watermelon actually cracked on the vine, and it spoiled too. And let me set it up because I already weighed it. I'm gonna weigh it again here in long form. I'm gonna weigh it again so y'all can see how much it weighed. So I'll set this over here. Make sure it's in shot. That's how much it weighs. Can you see that? It weighs 7 pounds, 9.5 ounces. That's how much this cantaloupe weighs. Make sure it's all the way on there. Look. Okay, 7 pounds. Now it's in 9.6. So almost 8 pounds. This cantaloupe weigh almost 8 pounds. I'm gonna set y'all right here. I'm about to see how I set this up. Scoot it over. Put it into it. Hopefully y'all can read that 7 pounds. But anyway, that's over here. The slice, it's not edible. It's spoiled, so it's not edible. But let's get the slice in it. It smells freaking good. That's it. That's how she looks. Trust it. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. You can see it's still thick green, so it's not ripe all the way. Wow, it smells amazing and spoiled at the same time. It smells really good. It almost tricks you to think that it's not spoiled. But I'm sure we're gonna get these seeds up out of here. But yeah. Wow, it smells amazing. Huh. I almost want to taste it. I almost want to taste it. I mean, if I don't make it back, y'all. If I don't make it back. Nah, it ain't slicing right. Cut a little piece off. Nope. It ain't. It's watered down. It ain't even sweet. It's watered down, y'all. So much rain. It's supposed to ripen up and sit. When you have a heavy rain like that, you're supposed to let these cantaloupes sit to suck back up all the sugars. So it wouldn't been sweet anyway. But it smells fantastic. So I am going to harvest these seeds out of here and save them for next year. This is how many seeds I harvested from that one cantaloupe that I had to trash because it was soiled. It was edible. It was so hard for me to throw the cantaloupe away. I'll bet it, try to taste it. I don't know. I ain't trusted. So, because it was smelling, when stuff get overripe and it smell kind of on its way, is out. On its way out. Oh, that's how that looks. And I'm gonna sit it on this paper towel to dry. So just spread it out like so. Get them all separated so they can dry. And boom, you have your next seed group of seeds for next season. It's probably at least about 100 seeds, maybe more. So that's how that looks. From that one cantaloupe, that was almost 8 pounds. All right, until next time, peace.